Delete that.
Okay, next one. Hip flexor stretches.
We already did it. Delete that.
All right, y'all.
Hey guys.
Yeah.
What's up?
Everybody surf here with my boy Brian. We're gonna do a little training course that preps you for surf.
There you go.
Brian's he's a trainer. He's an avid surfer. He loves to get out there, so he's been doing this for years. Yeah. What do you think, Brian?
Okay, yeah, let's start with some mobility, range of motion, some power, dynamic flow to be more free and then consistent at the water. Let's get to it. You good?
Okay, so first we have thoracic mobility.
There you go. So that one goes like this. So first thing, you gotta have your whole bag is paint touching the floor, and basically your shoulders down, and you go up. Kind of you hug yourself. You go one side to the other side. That's kind of unlock your thoracic and your shoulder. So basically we're gonna do like 15 or 20 of this just to warm up. Pretty good. Your thoracic movement, your spine, and your shoulders right here.
All right, guys, this one's called rib roll.
Rib roll. All right. So basically, you're gonna push yourself. You're gonna do like, first of all, like 90 degree, like basically L, 90 degree. And you're gonna go forward, and we're gonna touch the floor all around. We make a circle, and we come back. Super important to go forward first, and then go to the circle. And then we're gonna do like 5 of each side. Here we're creating range of motion to the rotator cuff and your whole shoulder, right? Go to the other side. It's nice and warm here at Pacific Frontier Park, guys.
Yeah. Beautiful day today. P-Town. All right, so we're gonna show examples and then cut to the next exercise, basically, so you can get an idea.
All right, guys, we gotta get to the next one.
Okay, so now we have 90-90 hip stretch.
There you go. So, go 90 degrees, spine correct, hips down, and we're gonna go forward. Switch to the other side. So basically right here, we're stretching our hips, creating mobility as well. It's super important for cutbacks, snaps. The better if your hip is stretched, you're gonna be more dynamic and better performance of the water.
Absolutely.
Yeah. It's like at the main point of the body. It's the center, so you want to warm it up super okay.
And Brian is also a trained dancer. He danced for years.
Oh yeah, that's helpful too for your stretch, right?
Yeah, I mean, just general mobility is amazing.
And here we're doing basically like
especially in the water where you want to be very nimble. You know, getting in that tube or whatever you're. Nice, it'll cut back.
Nice. So basically, we're doing like 8 of each side.
Okay, perfect. All right, so now we have the half kneeling abductor.
All right.
And all these stretches are great to do before the next batch of exercises, which is called flow.
Right. Also, all these stretches are good to do it before and after your surfing session. It's pretty good. So basically,
Right on.
adductors, the way how we're gonna stretch it, it's like you're gonna do like a 90 degrees base, 90 degrees side. You're gonna lean our body to the knee that it's on 90 degrees. Feel all the stretch right here. Same, your hip needs to be down. You can do 4 of each side. There's a lot of light right here, right?
Mm. So is this first? Is this hard to do at first?
No, I think it's super simple. But saying this is the key. If you are a beginner, it's you don't need to go like all the way farther in the first day. You can start going little by little, you know.
Yeah. Okay.
It doesn't matter, but it's still working.
Work your way into
Quality.
the
It's
stretch.
better than repetitions. You know what I mean?
Oh, that's a big. So
Yeah, it's better if you do like 2 of this, but night quality, feel the stretch. You need to go forward, don't injure yourself, because we gotta keep doing more tomorrow for surfing or whatever.
okay, so that just to review is the quality of the movement is better than the quantity.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay, next one is hip flexor stretches.
Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna go down 90 degrees, 90 degrees. We're gonna put our hips down. Raise my hand, the opposite hand of your knee, and then you lead to the opposite side. You're gonna feel all the stretch right here. You're gonna do 2 times on each side.
And what if it's let's say you have a shoulder injury
Yeah.
and it's tough to stretch, or maybe even a rib injury or something like around the back? Can you just stretch as much as it feels right?
Yes, yes. If you feel pain, you need to. It's better to stop and go to a doctor or your PT care. You know. So yeah, because pain it's telling you that your body's something's going on. So pain is not okay. But if you feel like something different that is not pain, that you can resist it, that's okay. Don't force it, but it's okay.
Yeah. So if you kind of know what it is, and you know you have a little bit of resistance or pain, and you want to work through it, you push a little bit, but not
Not that
overdo
much.
it.
No, not overdo it.
Perfect.
No,
Okay.
keep some energy for next day.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't over work out yourself.
Okay. Cool.